Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I will be sharing a tutorial on this gorgeous look. So without any further ado, let's get started. First up, I'm applying some moisturizer and I will continue with my eyes. I just put on my contact lenses and I'm starting with filling in my brows. I've taken a medium brown eyeshadow from this Color Studio palette. Now I'm going to prime my lids with some concealer. I'm also going to carve out my brows with it. Now I'm going to blend the concealer and set it with powder. It is very important to conceal your eyes first because it provides a very smooth base to work on. Now I'm going to take a light medium brown shade and I'm going to apply it directly into my crease. I'm just focusing it on my eye shape and I'm going in a round shape of direction, if you can see. I'm not talking about the motion of my brush, but the shape of my eyeshadow application. You're not supposed to go too far from your lid space. Blend it very nicely. Next up, I'm taking this Delancey palette and I'm taking this gorgeous navy blue shade and I will pack it on my lid. You're just supposed to add it on your lid area. Do not extend the blue beyond the crease and then start blending the edges of the blue shade. Now we will work in such a manner that the blue gets diffused in the brown shade that we have applied earlier. You can go with windshield wiper motion or circular motion, whatever is comfortable. You're done, guys. It's that easy. Now we're going to move on to the base and I'm applying some primer, focusing it on my T-zone, especially around my nose because I have a lot of pores there. Now I'm doing a very light color correction, just applying a little bit of that orange corrector underneath my eyes and around my mouth area. And I'm also gonna apply some green corrector to cover some pimples or redness. Now blend the correctors nicely. You're not supposed to overblend it because we just want the hue of that corrector. Now I'm going to apply my foundation, and like I mentioned in my previous video, you're not supposed to drag the foundation on your face. You're just supposed to tap it and try to cover maximum area. This way you will end up using lesser product and the foundation application will be faster as well. Moving on to concealer, I'm going to apply it under my eyes and the highest points of my face. And I'm also going to cover some pimple marks here and there. Next up, I'm going to set my under eyes with some loose powder and rest of my face as well. Now I'm going to bronze a little and apply some blush. I'm applying the blush not on the apples of my cheeks but on my cheekbone, just above the contour, and I'm going to make sure that I blend my blush in the contour just for that chiseled look. I'm going to repeat the same steps. Now I'm going to add some gold highlight on the highest points of my face, a little bit on the apples of my cheeks as well. Now for highlighting the inner corners of my eyes, I've picked up a mint shimmer shade. I just wanted to add a pop of color. You can definitely add a neon if you want to add that extra drama and pop of color. It will look really good if you're going to wear a neon dress, maybe neon lehenga with some navy blue eyes and that pop of neon right at the inner corner. Make sure to tight line the eyes because again it's smoky eye, so no gaps. I'm going to apply the same shade that I applied on my inner corner on my brow bone to highlight it. I'm not taking more product, just what was left on my brush. Now I struggled for the lip shade because I wanted a bright pink mouth, but I wanted the lipstick to not overpower my eyes because I really wanted the focus to stay on the eyes. So I went in with a bright pink, but that was looking very weird. And and I added a deeper shade of pink somewhere in between wine. It was also very off. At the end, I added a rosy pink lip shade and just topped it up with some coral. And finally, I added some concealer over my lipstick. Now this is a great way if you really want to mute down a lip color, just add some concealer on top and blend it nicely. It will definitely give you a really good nude shade. And this is the final look, you guys. I really loved this one, and you all seem to love this look as well. In the transition video that I posted previously, if you haven't watched it, it's linked above in the I button. You can watch it right now. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment below letting me know if you have any questions. Follow me on Instagram, share it with your girlies, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.